Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So today I have another memory spread to share with you guys, and this one is going to be for the week of January the 2nd through the 8th. And for this spread, I'm using another kit from PinkPlannerShop called Winter Streets. I'll be sure to link it down below along with any of the other stickers that I use or mention in this spread as well. Like always, I just went ahead and started by laying down the washi and the date covers, and then I filled up the sidebar before moving on to the week. Also, I think in this voiceover, I am going to do things a little bit differently than I have in the past couple videos. So usually I will just go through my plans and the stickers that I use really quickly and then let the music play in the background and like in between the days. But I think in this video, I'm going to try to go through the plans and the planning process a little bit more in real time with the plan with me, if that makes sense. Hopefully it'll make a little bit more sense as you guys watch the video, but let me know which style of voiceover you guys prefer so that I can do that in the future. But right now, you'll see that I'm writing in this decorative box. I went ahead and put that sunglasses icon right at the top to mark that we woke up in LA. The day before, we had taken a very spontaneous road trip to LA, so I wanted to mark waking up there that morning. And then under that, I put down a brown label and this shopping Emoti sticker to mark that, of course, since we were in LA, we did a little bit of shopping. And then if you watched my last Plan With Me video, I explained my boyfriend's obsession with these hamburgers from Tommy's. I think it's called Tommy's World Famous Hamburgers or something like that. So we stopped and got him another one before heading out of town. And to mark leaving LA, I just used that decorative label up there. Wow, now I'm behind. Look at me. Okay, so then I put down this dark brown half box, I think that is, and that little bag icon to mark that we stopped on the way home at some outlets and did a little bit more shopping. And then I went ahead and put down a decorative label and the flag down at the bottom, leaving a little bit of space so I could pull in that eating Emoti sticker to mark that we went and got some tacos when we got home. That's another one of my boyfriend's obsession is Mexican food. So we have really great Mexican food here in California, and he says it's just not the same in Texas, which I agree, it's absolutely not. So when he's here, we get lots of Mexican food as well. But yeah, then we just got home and I fell asleep early and I put a little Emoti sticker on top of that flag at the bottom over there to mark that. Wow, this is hard to keep up. Okay. Then at the top of Tuesday, I put down a dark brown label and this coffee cup icon to mark that I made myself a coffee. And then right under that, I put down this decorative half box to mark that I had just kind of like a lazier morning. I don't really remember exactly what we were doing, but my boyfriend was in town and this was the day after we got back from our road trip. So I think we were just kind of tired this morning. But we had to meet up with his sister to drop something off to her. So I used this little car icon from a PrintPetticoatBandits digital kit. And then we also stopped by the carniceria on our way home to pick up some ingredients to make tamales. So we stopped and got that stuff. And then when we got back to the house, we FaceTimed his mom just to make sure we had the recipe right and all the ingredients and everything. So I put down that little FaceTime Emoti sticker for that. And then that decorative half box I put down and just wrote right in there that we made tamales for the next few hours. If you've ever made them, you know it's like quite a long process. So that took us forever. But after we were done making them, I just finished the night by watching Netflix. So I put down this gray label and this little Emoti sticker for that. Now moving on to, what is this, Wednesday? I just put down a half box and then layered in this flag and that same car icon to mark that I had to drive my boyfriend to the airport. So this was actually the day that he went back to Texas, which was so sad, but he got to stay for quite a while for the holidays. So it was really nice. But yeah, I used that to mark driving him to the airport. And then to mark his flight, I used that little Emoti sticker with the luggage and just wrote in the flight details on the white space. And then in that second box right underneath that, I just layered in another flag and a white car icon, which came in that same PrintPetticoatBandits digital kit. And just wrote in that I had to drive home in the craziest storm. So during this week, we had really crazy flooding and like really bad thunderstorms and everything. So yeah, I had to drive home in the crazy rain and it was really scary. So I marked that there. And when I got home, I cleaned up the kitchen. So I used that brown label and that spray bottle icon for that. That icon is from that same Print Petticoat Bandit kit as well. And then in the white space under that, I just wrote that I also spot cleaned the carpets before watching a little bit of YouTube while I folded some laundry. So to mark watching YouTube, I used that black label and then put this laundry icon right underneath that to mark folding up some laundry. And then again, I fell asleep really early, so I put that pillow icon down at the bottom to mark that I was really tired this night. Then on Thursday morning, I basically wanted to do like an entire home refresh. So clean everything, wash all the bedding, wash all the blankets on the couch, even the pillows. So to mark that, I used this gray half box and that little cleaning Emoti sticker. And then I wanted to catch up in my planner. My boyfriend, every time he's here, I get completely off track and just really want to take advantage of him being here and the time we have together. So I let my planner go for like 2 weeks. So I wanted to make sure to catch up in that. So I used that gray label and that planner icon sticker. And then I also went and ran to Target. So for that, I just used that little bag icon from the kit. And then right under that, I put down a label to mark that we had a really bad storm this night, which actually started a lot of the flooding that we experienced here in California. So yeah, I wanted to mark that down there. And then later that night, I just spent some time watching YouTube and journaling a little bit. And then and then because the rain was so bad, I ended up having to cancel all of my lessons for that day. So I put down a decorative label and this little raining Emoti sticker for that. And then because I had some extra time this night, I just did a face and hair mask. So I used a half box to write that in. And then at the very bottom, I just marked in what I had for dinner that night with that utensils icon from Print Petticoat Bandit kit as well. Then starting off Friday morning, I went and got some Starbucks before coming back home and doing a couple loads of laundry. And to mark doing the laundry, I just put down a flag and that little jacket icon from the kit. And then I also filmed a Plan With Me video this morning, so I used a decorative half box for that. And then right when I was done filming, we had a break in the rain, so I really wanted to get outside while it was nice out. So I took the dogs for a walk, and to mark that, I just used that deco sticker from the kit. Then when I got back home, I started editing my Plan With Me video. So I put down a brown label and that little computer Emoti sticker for that. And then when I was finished for the day, I took some time to do some journaling. So I marked that by using a decorative label and that little book icon, which again is from that Print Petticoat Bandit digital kit. I'll go ahead and link Print Petticoat Bandit down below their shop. Pretty much any of the digital kits that you purchase, I'm pretty sure that you get the same black and white icon sheets. So yeah, I'll go ahead and link their shop below since I've mentioned it so many times in this video. That's also where this planner is from as well. So anyways, back to the Plan With Me. Underneath that label, I just put down that cleaning bucket icon to mark that I tidied up the house. And then I also had to go out and do some grocery shopping, so I used a half box to mark that. Then while I was out, I went ahead and grabbed myself a coffee, so I put down a gray label and that hand holding the coffee cup for that. And that is just a piece of deco from the kit. And then right under that, I put down a half box and layered over it this thunderstorm icon to mark that, again, I went out and took a really quick walk before the rain started. And then when I got back, I spent some time in the garage cleaning out my car. So again, I put down that same car icon from that PrintPetticoatBandits kit. And then after I was done cleaning out my car, I took a trip to Marshall's to look for some new workout clothes. That's like 99% of my wardrobe these days, especially with coaching and my job and everything. I basically wear workout clothes all the time. So I was really excited that I got a few new pieces. And then when I got home, I needed to make sure to brush sage. So I just wrote that in on a brown label. And then right under that, I put down that same little book icon to mark that I did a little bit more journaling this night. And then in that half box at the very bottom, I just wrote in what I had for dinner. All right, so now moving on to the weekend, I started by putting the weekend banner up at the top. And then for Sunday, I put down a gray flag and this cooking Emoti sticker to mark that my family and I had breakfast all together. And then I also spent some time this morning memory planning. So for that, I put down this decorative box and that planning sticker from the kit again. And then right under that, I just wrote in that I did some more laundry. And then underneath the full box for the day, I put down another brown box from the kit and layered over it this driving Emoti sticker to mark that I went for an afternoon drive because the weather had finally cleared up for a little bit. Like every single time the weather cleared up this week, I tried to take advantage of it and went outside because the weather was so bad. But yeah, underneath that, I put down this gray little sweater deco sticker to mark that I organized my closet that night. And then at the very bottom, I put down a brown label and this shocked Emoti sticker to mark that our town and a few of the towns around us all started to flood really badly because of the terrible weather. So yeah, I went ahead and marked that. And other than that, that is it for this week. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I will talk to you in the next one. Bye.